ListMe. Cynthis Benitez's ListMe. ListMe step-by-step training. No experience required. Results-driven method. No product creation needed. Proven to work. Takes only minutes to set up. ListMe is a brilliant way to build a quality list, fast and cheap. All you need and explained in the training, not steps skipped. Very easy method to implement. Anyone can do this. You can start building your list an hour from now. This is a proven method to build a high list for pennies on the dollar. You just how to do it. Make money while building your list. I made easy $50 $100 days using this method. ListMe Upgrade offers. Front-end offer. $7.95. You will learn how to build a quality list fast and cheap. OTO1, list building on steroids. $17. I will teach you more ways of building their lists with free and paid strategies. OTO2, Rolodex. $37. I will give you the exact details of my most successful campaigns, targeting, keywords, etc. OTO3, ListMe reseller rights. $67. Sell ListMe as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel. OTO4, coaching. $197. Coaching for a month, where I will help you with anything that you need regarding internet marketing. ListMe Moneymaking bonuses. Bonus number 1. How I make 2K selling traffic. In this bonus you will learn the method I use to make money in my spare time. Bonus number 2. Amazing video software. In this bonus you will get a great software that helps you create profitable video sites in 3 steps. Bonus number 3. Affiliate marketing course. In this bonus you will learn how to really make money with affiliate marketing as a newbie. Bonus number 4. The free buy page. In this bonus you are getting a page full of free products and courses for you to use and grow your business. ListMe, Cynthis Benitez's ListMe.